Motherfucking frames hard, man.
This one's hooked. I can figure it's right up in there.
I'm gonna circle it one more time and then I'm gonna. The ramp I was talking about. Ain't nobody driving down here. Fuck it. It look like it's ready to snow out this bitch. Come on. Fuel up. Hey, I be tripping all crazy, man.
Slow down a bit. Look, all them full. We filled them up yesterday.
That's crazy. We went. Should I wait till 3? Man, this is my truck. We just swerved off. Right here. Hit this. Get the hut. Nice and cold. One thing about it, you gonna hit this light, bro. Smack the tree. I'm glad you driving first, cause I ain't fucking feel like it. How long? So how long we doing this shit for?
Till 9 o'clock tonight.
Till 9 o'clock at night.
Yeah.
We're working till 9 o'clock at night.
Yeah.
I don't believe.
Yeah, for real.
Dumb shit. 9 o'clock tonight though. Weird. Free breakfast. You know what I mean? Rain doing most of the work for us. We just don't say, they say these roads bad, but I don't see it. Nigga been here since 5 o'clock in the fucking morning, man. Oh, okay. Oh, he got it in there. He got all of it in there this time. Riding around the city throwing salt. The dumb shit. It's like our 5th load today.
That's good enough. That's about 3/4 of a load.
3/4 of a load. Look how dirty I be. Oh, man.
O'clock in the morning.
You heard that? Mine is 4 by 6.